Hey everyone, Mike Mulligan here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am a certified orientation and mobility specialist, and in today's video I'm going to be doing something a little bit different and a little bit fun. I'm going to be testing out my new no jab cane with my daughter here, so I hope this is fun and you enjoy it, and let's do this. Good job. Alright, so today's video is going to be a little different than my previous videos. And this video I'm just going to be having some fun here with my daughter. So I actually have a no jab cane here in my hand. I just got it. I've only tested a little bit in the garage, but I haven't actually gone out and really tried it. So in today's video I'm going to go out and just try it out and bring you along with me and my daughter here. The no jab cane is a cane that actually has a spring in it. So that way when the cane gets stuck on an obstacle, the spring condenses as a way of preventing getting jabbed with the cane. So a lot of people complain that the cane gets stuck and then jabs them. So I'm going to try this out, see if this helps alleviate some of that issue. My daughter here has my other cane, so she'll be kind of playing along with that. So hopefully this video is going to be a little entertaining and you get to see this cane in action. Alright, so one last thing before we go out and have some fun with this no jab cane is I want to switch the cane tip. So when I got this no jab cane, it just came with a standard marshmallow tip. We'll flip it over in a second. And my other cane here actually has a roller marshmallow tip, which I tend to like a little bit more. So I want to switch it so when I'm using the no jab cane, I have the roller marshmallow. So with the help of my daughter here, we're going to change the cane tips really quick. So I'm going to pull up the standard marshmallow cane tip from the no jab cane until the white little locker or stopper comes up. Switch that. Yep. And then we're going to switch this other one here. So the roller marshmallow from my other cane. The stopper came up. Take off the tip. Can you hold this one for me?
Sure.
Okay. And this shouldn't take too long here if I can do it okay. So I'm putting on the roller marshmallow onto the no jab right now. Sliding the stopper back in. Don't put that in your mouth, that's dirty. Alright. Taking the other one, the regular marshmallow tip. Taking that up. Dropping the plastic part back in. Sliding that in. Alright, so now that I've switched the tips, which wasn't too difficult, we're going to go out and play around with them. Alright, let's do this. Right, so now we're going to do our little test here. I have the no jab cane springing up and down right now, and I'm going to be using constant contact and try and keep up with the little one over there, and we'll test it out. Hopefully I get stuck on a few, hopefully I get stuck on a couple obstacles to test out the spring. Sounds good. Following you. I'm following you to the corner. Alright, constant contact. Oh, got stuck. Cane jabbed in, didn't jab me in the stomach. That's a good sign. Okay, so I'm still doing my constant contact, walking up my driveway. Haven't got stuck again. So I like having the marshmallow roller, just kind of glides a little better. Okay, got stuck on the crack, went in, didn't get jabbed in the belly. That's nice. Right now I have the cane out in the center of my body in the middle. Let's check on her. She's trying to keep up. All right, Chloe, can you go to the corner?
What?
Can you go all the way to the corner? Nope, up the hill. So we're going up the sidewalk here. A lot of obstacles. Oh, she got stuck in a crack. All right, still doing constant contact. Oh, got stuck. Again, the cane seems to glide pretty good. This is the first time I'm using it, so I don't know if the more you use it, how well the spring will work. But the spring's not even that loud, not that distracting. Jabs in pretty well. It's got a nice little red leather grip, so it seems pretty easy to hold, and it's not too heavy. Feels like a standard cane kind of weight. Oh, she's way ahead up the street. I better catch up. Oh, she dropped her cane. Good job.
I'll catch up.
Okay, you'll catch up to me? All right. So I'm just going to go up here to the corner, and I think that's probably a good beginning test. Stay tuned to find out a little bit more about the no jab cane and if it's holds up to some more testing, and hopefully it will. Came up to the curb at the corner intersection here, and she's falling behind me. You made it to the corner. Thanks everyone, for those of you who stuck around and joining us for this little adventure. I hope it was at least a little bit entertaining, and I hope you got to see a little bit of the No Jab cane in action, and you could maybe make a little bit of an impression of what you think of it. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.